on, Cammy. Go with Mama. Have her and sit down.
Cammy, look at presents.
Okay, happy birthday, Mama.
Presents for Mama. Come here. Yeah. Is this one from you? For you? For you? Well, will we open this one first? Yeah. Okay. Okay. To my wonderful wife, whose love is everything to me. Happy birthday, love, Papa. Thank you. Yeah.
Presents.
Hold on, let's see. Hey, Mom, nothing but the best for you. That's why you've got me. Say me. Me. Happy birthday, love, Cameron. Aw, thank you. Oh, you want to help me open that one first? Okay, let's see. Here, let's find the side. Right here?
You sing happy birthday to Mama?
Oh, what is this? Do you know what it is?
Happy birthday to Mama. Yeah. She picked it out.
Cammy picked it out?
Happy birthday to
Wow. Is that Mama's new watch?
Yeah, she can wear it today at work.
So pretty. Okay, hold on. Let me put this one.
Cameron, careful.
Careful. Wow.
The watch.
Here, let's put this on.
Wait. Wait a second, Cameron. This is Mama's presents. Why don't you sit right here? You want to sit there? No?
You want to sit with Mama? Okay. This is tricky. Yeah. Did you pick it out for Mama? Yeah. You like this one? Is it pretty?
Yeah. Wow. You have to take out.
Yeah, one blanket. Okay. Let's open up this one.
Can you open it?
Yeah, let's open it together.
Just one link, you said?
Yeah. Whoa, what is this? Two? Yeah, let's open it from this side. This side, honey. Right here. Wow, look at this. This one's so pretty.
It's a big one.
What does this one have on it?
Butterflies.
Butterflies? Do you like this one?
Like this.
Thank you. Careful.
Here.
Papa's gonna put it on Mama.
Which one? Left.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Big one.
A big one.
Can I open it?
Yeah. Wow, beautiful. Extra specialers from my family. Ooh.
I already smelled the Versace one. That one is going to be between that and this one. But the Versace come in a gift.
Wow.
And this one was a little bit better. That wasn't the price.
Ooh.
Have you ever heard of this?
No.
Hypnose.
Hypnose?
Yeah.
Hypnose? Hypnose?
Show the camera.
Pretty. You want to smell it?
Smell it, smell it. Cameron liked it. She goes, I like it. Right, Cameron? You said, I like it.
Alrighty. Wow, very pretty bottle.
Open
Hold on.
it.
I gotta open it to smell it. say it smells good.
It's really good.
Okay, can Mama smell it?
Cammy, don't back up,
Hold on,
please.
let me,
It's a video.
wow.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's for your jewelry. Oh. Okay.
Thank you.
Say happy birthday. Give Mama a hug.
Such a happy birthday from my family.
Hug. Hug Mama. Say happy birthday, Mama. Hug Mama. Go.
Oh, you have to sing.
Oh, it smells nice. Really nice.
Can you sing happy birthday to the camera for Mama?
Say happy birthday.
Sing.
Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to
Mama.
Happy birthday, dear.
Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Good job.
Now tell the camera, say, I love you, Mama.
I love Mama.
Oh, thank you. I love you too.